Hi folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about 5 solutions that can help you fix iOS 14 stuck on update requested issue on iPhone or iPad. Just in case you are faced with this update requested error while trying to install iOS 14, then these tips can prove to be pretty helpful. So let's cut the chase finally. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. The very first thing that you must check out is to ensure that your device has strong internet connection. It is worth noting that software update demands strong internet connection, so make sure you have it. Just in case the Wi-Fi network seems to be sloppy, then turn it off and then turn it on. This way you'll be able to fix the sloppiness. If it doesn't sort out Wi-Fi, then you can disconnect your device from the Wi-Fi network and then connect to it. To do it, all you have to do is simply tap on the info button right next to the Wi-Fi network, and then you have to hit forget this device, and then you have to confirm. Now you will need to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network again. Do it and try to update your iPhone again. Hopefully, update requested error is gone and you'll be able to install the update without any sort of problem. If the problem continues and iOS 14 is still stuck on update requested issue, then now it is time to restart the device, right? It is a pretty simple solution that more often than not comes to the rescue, so give it a try as well to see if it sorts out the issue. If your iPhone is still embroiled into this annoying issue, then it's time to reset all network settings. Keep in mind that it will wipe out all the existing Wi-Fi settings, so you will need to enter your Wi-Fi passwords again. To get going, launch Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General, then scroll down again and tap on Reset. Now you have to tap on Reset Network Settings, then you have to enter your passcode, do it. And then you have to confirm by hitting Reset Network Settings. If the luck has not yet smiled upon you, then it's time to go for even bigger step. And this time around, we are going to reset all settings. For that, launch Settings app, then tap on General, and then scroll down and tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings, then enter your passcode, enter it, and then confirm by hitting Reset All Settings. Bear in mind, it will wipe out all the existing settings on your device, but bother not, all of your media and data will remain safe. If nothing has worked, then it's time to wipe out the iOS 14 beta profile and update the iPhone using computer. To get going, launch Settings app, then tap on General, then you have to tap on Profile, then you have to tap on iOS 14 beta software profile, then you have to tap on Remove Profile and confirm. After you have deleted iOS 14 beta profile from your device, you have to use your computer to update the iPhone. It is worth noting that if your Mac is running macOS Catalina or later, you have to use Finder to update your device. And if your Mac is running macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you are using PC running Windows, then you have to use iTunes to update your device, right? So Launch Finder or iTunes, then you have to select your device, and then you have to click on check for update, and then you have to go through the usual route to update your device. So that's the way you can get rid of iOS 14 stuck on update requested issue on your iPhone. Hopefully these tips have worked and your device has finally been able to get the stable version of iOS 14 without any sort of problem. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.